Welcome to the REXTON BiCore sound demo. Join us on a journey of 2 real-life sound situations to hear for yourself how much REXTON has raised the bar for hearing in noise. So grab your headphones and join us. Today with me, I have Casper. Hello, Casper.
Hi, Jackie. Happy to be here.
Nice, thanks for joining. By the way, can you tell us the setup we have here now?
Yes, of course. So right now I'm here wearing a pair of REXTON BiCore hearing aids connected to a recording system. And what you're hearing now is the sound coming through the hearing aids.
Yes, Casper, it's crystal clear sound for sure, but you know what? In a silent environment, that's easy to do that. As you know, REXTON can get the job done even on the most challenging environments. That's why I think we should switch to a setting that is more relatable to what REXTON's users are used to. What do you think?
That sounds awesome. Let's do it.
Okay.
Wow, this is cool.
Nice kitchen, isn't it?
Definitely.
Okay, we're here in a noisy restaurant kitchen. Let's listen to this. It must be a popular restaurant because it sounds really busy. People talking, chopping vegetables, there's a lot of activity happening all around. But yet you can still hear my voice separated from the noise. Good. So now, Casper, could you please pick up your cell phone and switch back to a traditional sound processing?
Of course. Ready?
So, let's listen to this one more time. Now I'm talking in the exact same environment as before, but without the BiCore technology now. The hearing aids have to compromise in order to optimize the speech and handle the environmental sounds, making it hard to rely on speech processing under demanding sound situations, which is not good. Casper, could you please switch back to the BiCore processing now?
Of course. Give me a chance.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes. So, we're back to the busy kitchen one more time. So much activity, so much noise. This would be a very challenging place for a hearing aid user without the benefit of REXTON BiCore technology for sure.
Thank you very much, Jackie, for showing me the loud kitchen environment. Actually, I have a surprise for you.
Wow.
So my football team is playing over here, and I think it would be a lovely situation to go and test the BiCore hearing aid and see how it works in that setting. How does that sound?
Sounds great. Let's do it.
Perfect. Let's go.
Wow, exciting! You know, watching a football match in a stadium like this is very challenging due to the noise of the crowd. Casper, you are still listening with the benefits from BiCore technology, and now you can remember how much noise a football match can be, especially when your team scores. It sounds like you're listening to a really exciting game. Whistle blowing and a lot of cheering around. But Casper, let's give it a try with the traditional hearing aid technology now.
That sounds awesome.
Can you switch it?
Of course. Give me a second. Ready?
Once again. Now, with the traditional hearing aid technology, it's easy to hear how the sound has changed. You can't rely on listening to my voice separated from the stadium noise. So it's harder to enjoy this match with friends. Well, I think it's not the way you would like to support your team, Casper, isn't it?
Definitely not.
Okay, so we should then switch back and hear with the REXTON BiCore again. What do you say?
Let's do it.
Perfect.
Ready?
Okay, once again, as you can hear, REXTON BiCore offers realistic and a live sound experience, not compromising the feeling of a very exciting football match. This is because REXTON BiCore focuses on super-fast binaural beamforming and binaural processes, meaning that localization, awareness, and recognition of sounds are improved, allowing users to rely on their hearing aids even in demanding environments. How do you feel?
I can definitely feel the benefits here. It's fantastic.
Exactly how you like a soccer match, isn't it?
Definitely.
Well, Casper, thanks for joining, and thank you for the great surprise here.
Thank you for having me, Jackie. It's been a lot of fun. And thanks for showing me the newest and coolest features on the REXTON BiCore hearing aid.
Nice. And thank you for joining us in this sound demo.